We live in a globally connected world and use products and services that make our lives so much efficient and better. For example, we use various internet search engines to find answers to our questions and remain connected with our friends using social media platforms. To watch a movie at home, we use over the top streaming services. We have the convenience of buying anything with a few clicks on e commerce websites. As we use these global services and products, we should also consider investing in these companies and potentially profiting from their growth too. It might sound unbelievable, but the combined market capitalization of Apple and Amazon is higher than that of India's total market capitalization. Kotak Mutual Fund is giving you an opportunity to invest in some of the largest companies globally, even though they are listed on NASDAQ in the United States. One can invest in some of the world's most innovative themes that are currently unavailable to invest in the Indian stock markets. Let me present to you all the Kotak NASDAQ 100 Fund of Fund, a fund that gives you an opportunity to invest in the world's leading companies through units of overseas ETFs and or index funds based on NASDAQ 100 index. These funds invest in the NASDAQ 100 index, which is one of the world's major large cap growth indices. This index includes 100 of the largest global non-financial companies based on market capitalization, which are listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. These companies are leaders in information technology, telecom, retail, wholesale trade, biotechnology, and so on. The NASDAQ 100 index is heavily tilted towards technology companies currently, which constitute nearly 50% of the index, and consumer services being the second largest constituent. It includes companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, and Google's parent company Alphabet, which are currently considered to be the leaders in the technology and digital space and are at the forefront of growth and innovation. As an investor in the Kotak NASDAQ 100 Fund of Fund, one can benefit from the performance of NASDAQ 100 index. The NASDAQ 100 Total Returns Index has been consistently outperforming the Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 total return indices significantly over the last 10 years. Investors can also potentially get additional benefits from the appreciation of the US dollar against the Indian rupee, and the investment might also help them diversify their portfolio since the Indian stock markets have a very low level of correlation with NASDAQ 100 index. The new fund offer opens on 11th of January 2021 and closes on 25th of January 2021. And it is an opportunity to invest in global companies which are very dominant through Kotak NASDAQ 100 Fund of Fund. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.